I've always had an appreciation for birds, and to be able to get so many up-close experiences here, you can't get it anywhere else. Students have hands-on opportunities to actually work on some of the research opportunities here.
My entire life, I've just always been drawn to nature, wildlife, and particularly animals. They're just really beautiful and special, and it's just so incredible getting to work with them every day. It blows my mind every time, no matter how many times I'll spend with one bird or reptile. It's just it's so cool.
Graduating is terrifying. How can I make it as smooth a transition as possible into my a scary adulthood? So I was like, okay, we'll start here. Right down there on the boardwalk at Loon's Lookout is where I would find myself kind of going, and it's over time noticing the subtle changes year to year and just the changes of the season. And in my studies, especially during finals time, coming out here and just being okay, change is okay. The seasons are changing right now, changing is okay. And I just have to trust that it'll all work out because it always does. And we've gotten to the point where it's the end of the 2 semesters and I'm okay, I think that I'm ready.
I actually went to Penn State to study psychology. Working with animals wasn't always my plan, although it was always a passion of mine. I spent a bit of my life shoehorning myself into roles that weren't really my favorite, but I just thought I needed to do instead of really following my passions, my dreams. But then I the older I got, I realized that I didn't have a good reason for not pursuing what I'm passionate about, and that is animals. We have a really good group here, the animal care team, and they've really just taught me a lot about what it means to work in this industry, what it means to work with animals, and I've also learned a lot from the animals themselves. And it's really just solidified that for me, that this is what I want to be doing. I hope to be doing it for the rest of my life. It feels good to finally be following your dreams.